G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here's my latest update with my 2-inch 902 green CRT TV project. I've now pretty much almost completed the power supply side of the TV, and I decided to bunch the components as close together as possible and tightly wire them up together as closely as possible. So this conglomerate of components is pretty much this section here of the power supply, that outputs the high voltages, 185, 300, 350 volts, and I've got the outputs soldered to a terminal socket, green terminal socket, and here I've got the plug to match with it. So I'll connect the high voltage wires to this and plug it in. And the other side of the circuit here, where I've got the EHT output and the brightness control potentiometer is here. So I've got them all bunched together, and that's the EHT plug, and this is the brightness potentiometer. And yeah, so that's pretty much the power supply mostly done. And I decided to mount it onto a piece of Bakelite, and I've made it so I can mount it to the cover here. So I've drilled 2 holes in each side so I can screw mount it, so it's sitting down nice and low, so I've got enough space for these to just sit, so to speak. And I've put the lead connections from the two pins of the 6N free valve. So this is pin 3, which is going to this circuitry here, and this is pin 9, which goes via a 22 ohm resistor to this circuitry here, and also to the, actually come to think of it, I actually made a, no, I did it right, I was yeah, so it goes to the 330 nanofarad capacitor and which leads to the circuitry here. Those are it's in there underneath the heat shrink, and it also goes to the other 330 nanofarad capacitor here, which connects to this circuitry here. So yeah, it's pretty much almost done and almost ready to be connected up. So that's the power supply side of things almost done, and yeah, and of course I've got the rest of the circuitry pretty much done. And yeah, next stage is to deal with the voltage divider side of things to the tube itself. So that's another lot of circuitry I've got to make, and I've got to work out where to put it, which will probably be on top of the chassis by the looks of things, or maybe I might put underneath, but I think it's more likely going to be on top of the chassis behind the tube, so to speak. Anyway, that's pretty much about it for the moment. So it's my latest update with my 902 Tube TV. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.